Hey guys, so it's me, Monica. I think the reason why I wrote this song when I was still in high school. And when I was in high school, I was very far away from my parents. So I took on a lot of responsibilities. Going home, I still had to do my laundries, go to the PTA meetings for my siblings, and a lot of things. And in school, I took on a lot of extracurricular activities. Up until now, as an adult, I didn't have just one job, but I didn't have two jobs, but I have multiple jobs. And I think the purpose of this song is to remind myself that, and other people as well, that we continue to show up even though we felt like we were craving for a hug, we are craving for cries. We just couldn't do it because it doesn't really fit to our schedule. So what we do is we continue showing up and we continue just like the river that flows.
Di ko maintindihan mga pangyayari sa aking buhay. Mundo'y patuloy sa pag-ikot, tulad ng ilog na patuloy sa pag-agos. Minsa'y tila di na makahinga. Ang gusto lang naman ay sulit na pahinga. Ngunit ang lahat ay patuloy na dumadaloy, tulad ng ilog na patuloy sa pag-agos.